Hi everyone, so today's video is going to be based on this bag. I wanted to do a review on it because I've seen a lot of questions. I think I posted this on my Instagram story and I got a lot of questions about it, so I wanted to go ahead and give you guys a little bit of detail about this bag. And this is the Roi Eloise Satchel bag. I believe that's what it's called. If I'm wrong, I'll have it listed down below. Basically, this bag features a pocket here, and then another pocket here, and then another pocket here. And these two pockets are pretty similar in size. The only difference is that this one does kind of, the middle one does kind of close up because of the way that it is meant to be closed. So yes, and then you have a zipper here in the back, and I've actually never opened that. Oh, it has a care card, I believe. Yeah, cleaning card. So it offers that as well. So I'll show you guys how I pack my bag if you guys are interested, and I'll show you guys what it fits and everything. So for starters, we have my wallet. Now we usually have it like that. We have my key clay. So I'll have it like so, or I can actually put it behind here. And then I also have to have my wet wipes, so I'll put that in the center slot there. And then I love having my purse ring holder, so I'll have that in there, as well as a little lip liner just to touch up. I also like to bring 2 packs of raw sugar because some restaurants have iced tea but they don't have a sweetener, or they don't have the one that I want, so I just like to bring my own. And I'll put that in the front pocket as well. And then I also have my sunglasses that I love wearing. These are the Key sunglasses with the collaboration with Chrissy Teigen. So for this one, I will put this in the center like so. And then I know what you guys are thinking, what this space is for, but this is for my camera. My camera fits perfectly in here, but I'm actually filming with it right now. It's the G7X Mark II, so I usually have that in here in this little slot, which is why it's not in here right now. But that is usually everything that I would carry, and it still closes pretty comfortably. It does kind of stick up just a little bit, but you can't really tell. And then it's a little bit poofy, but it's okay for me. And the sides don't look too deformed or anything. It looks fine actually. And then here's the bottom of it. And I love the mini strap. I love using the mini strap over the crossbody strap because I just love the way that it looks. And I also will insert a picture of how I look with the crossbody strap as well. And you guys can see where it hits on me. I have worn this quite a few times and I actually really like it. I was really surprised at the quality. I do believe that this is a pebbled leather, and I love that it doesn't get scratches or anything. It has the little Angela Roi mark here that you guys can see, and it's really easy to open and get in and out of. I don't think that you're susceptible to pickpockets if you use the smaller handle because it is so close to you. But these are basically my daily essentials. I will probably put in a lip gloss or a hand cream in this little corner here, or I can put it like right on top here. But other than that, I feel like this carries my everyday essentials. These are just things that I want to have with me all the time. And I have noticed that I've carried quite a few things. Like sometimes I think that I'll need way more items than I actually do, and in reality, just carry the basics basically. This is what the bag taught me, and I do want to pick up another bag of this probably when I go to Korea, because I will be going to South Korea in October. So I wanted to pick up another one of this bag if I can find the retail store for it. So yeah. And then it says Angela Roi, designed in New York, and it says handcrafted by artisans. So I guess this was I don't know, it says designed in New York, but I'm not sure if it was made in New York. But the stamping is a little crooked. If that bothers you guys, just let them know and they'll exchange the bag for you. But the stamping is a little bit crooked. I usually wouldn't put anything in this little pocket here, and if I was really like tight on space, I would probably just carry, let's see, I have some cash over here on the side. So if I didn't have a lot of space in here, I would just put my cash simply in like the pocket, just like in this pocket or something, and then I wouldn't have to carry my ID. And then look at how much more space you have. You have a lot more space, and I usually have my phone in my hands, so I'm not too worried about that. But you can just have your cash like that if you want to. And because this pocket is closer to you, it's going to be harder to pickpocket, whereas if it was in here, you don't really want to put any valuables in here. If it was in here, someone can just open your bag, slip it out, but I don't think that's a problem if you're really careful about your bags. So I say just put your wallet in here, and I love the Victorine wallet by Louis Vuitton. It fits perfectly in there. I found that this wallet has actually fit perfectly in a lot of my bags. So I really like that. That's pretty much all I have to say about this bag. I really like it. I do wish that they did some glazing on this part right here with the fabric lining, but other than that, it doesn't really bother me as much. Oh, I also forgot to mention that in here you do have a little pocket here, so you can even just put your cash in here in this little pocket there. But I've never really used that. I've used it for cards actually one time, but I didn't really need to use it for anything else because I didn't want to bring my big wallet with me. I wanted more room in the back. Yeah, you can put like cash and cards in there as well. If you guys have any other questions about this purse, or you know how it's held up and stuff in the future, you guys can just message me down below and let me know. I am pretty particular about whether this part is crooked or not. I did receive a different purse where it was crooked, and they were kind enough to exchange it, which was proper, I feel. So if this part is crooked and you guys are not happy with it, then just let them know and they'll be more than happy to give you an exchange or refund. And I really think that this bag is perfect. I inspected it and everything, and I think it's really great. And I do think that their bags are really nice for those of you guys who want to feel a sense of luxury but can't really afford it at the moment. I think that this is perfect, and I love the quality of it. I think this bag is one that I'm going to take with me to Asia when I go on my trip. And I think that it's really low-key. It's not too loud, it doesn't scream luxury or anything, but I still think that it's really cute and basic for like an everyday bag. So really excited to bring this with me. It also comes with a crossbody strap like I mentioned. So if you guys are interested in seeing how that looks, then I will leave a picture on the screen so you guys can check that out. But thank you so much for watching. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and please subscribe down below. That way or this way, I don't know. But please subscribe down below if you aren't already, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!